Good morning, chat. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm setting up my medication organizer. I just need a minute. Okay.
What did you just do?
Enders, thank you for the 51 months. I appreciate it. Chat. The Karakara was never given an opportunity because it's ass. But hear me out. What if we try anyways? This is gonna be pain and suffering.
It's just whenever.
Do you not want sanity? No comment. We need a Karakara though. Can I just buy from this menu? Oh. Sick. Oh, 100% cry. 100%. It's gonna happen. Why does this look lifted? It is. No, it's not. Is it? I think it seems wonky.
I feel bad.
Good
I'm
morning.
kicking her out of my scout.
Someone got kicked out of a scout? Um, that'll do. Probably mittens.
If I had fucking shitloads of money, I'd just buy Bet because it would be
Do, do, do. We have any texts? Oh. Oh. Also, Chad, I got my eye injections yesterday. Vision-wise, everything seems fine outside of like sensitivity to light, but like monitor's fine. Actually, there's like slight blurriness in my left eye. I know what we need to do. Coquette. We need to compare this to Lucas's.
North Rockridge.
Ashley Court. Yeah, it's southbound North Rockridge Drive. Which without peril. Ah, we're jumping over a car. Careful. Oh, oh, it's still going. It's still going by southbound North Rockridge Drive. Approaching Vespucci eastbound. Eastbound Vespucci. Red garage. Passing red, east of Vespucci, sending it. He's scared. He's just sending it straight. Now he can't think. Oh, look, almost got him. Cool. Oh, that's not even a local. Left northbound. Crossing Elgin, eastbound Vespucci. Southbound. Right, westbound Adams. Westbound Adams Apple. Crossing Para, approaching Alta. Right, northbound Alta.
Auto gearbox. Huh.
Alta. Cross San Andreas. Left westbound San Andreas. Opposing lanes. Left southbound Peaceful. Approaching Vespucci. Left eastbound Vespucci.
I'm gonna take this
Approaching
around the
Eastern
block.
Para. Left on Power Upper. Westbound San Andreas Avenue. Closing lanes. Oh, they might do a Maze Bank thing. They're stopping by the Maze Bank Tower. They'd be getting out on.
Tires are really wide on the back. Are additionals required?
Confirm, but on condition, I believe that they have a pickup vehicle. Right now, we're at max units.
Confirm.
Ready.
Keep eyes on them.
Oh, he's jumping off. Oh, they're both jumping off.
What direction are they jumping?
One's going north, one's going south. Find one for 60.
Keep eyes on the one wearing white. They're both parachuting over Alpha Street Apartments.
290 has visual.
Towards the Olympic.
They
Landing the
are.
Alpha Street Apartments parking area. That one's landing towards Adams Apple La Puerta area.
They're going to construction. The back one has Uwe construction. The front one's probably going to land around Uwe Cafe apartments area.
290 is on the individual that's parachuting by the apartments. They're
787, 7 traffic.
at the rear side of the apartment. Stand by. Or the VCB, they're behind the building.
They're landing by the dojo down the bottom. VCB.
Did they go past the apartments to the dojo thing, or?
Hey, fam. Just near where the ramp is for the civilian docks. That car park. VCB though.
Check the water. They could be in the water. Do we have an individual at the construction site, or did they land there?
I don't know. I saw those things fall.
Negative. I don't believe we had anyone at the construction for that individual.
Oh, that's fucking copium. Thinking I'm making it through there.
A rooftop's pretty likely. We saw him with extremely low altitude over the dojo. So a rooftop on one of these commercial buildings along the South Rockford Drive is pretty likely.
I didn't see any vehicles whatsoever parked in this area.
The only one that was around here was the motorcycle.
A firm, yeah, and that hasn't moved. It's still parked at the rear side of the apartments.
787's clearing the rooftops of the dojo area.
Types of traffic.
So I think I have someone in a bush near me. I'm gonna act like I don't see him. He's on the back side of the apartments.
It's him. It's him.
Yeah, directly behind the paper supply store.
Yeah, he's hiding in the bush between the apartment and the supply store on the north side of the road. He's just standing still. I think he thinks that we don't see him.
We got enough units here to start. I think we got enough. We got 2 on the foot pursuit. I'm gonna engage with him. I'm pulling out non-lethal. Lethal.
Alright, 290's pulling off
He's
since there isn't
playing-
interference.
He's fleeing towards the apartment car park. He's very quick. I can't keep up. I'm going lethal. You go non-lethal. McLeod. He's crossing to the rental spot.
Yeah, he's going to the rental.
He's gonna dust us both. We might need a mobile unit.
We're coming.
He's getting into an entity, it looks like.
All right. Mobile units can take comms once he gets out of this.
I'm convinced these rear tires are not stock. Because look at the front tires.
Zone occupied one
Versus the rear. These are big.
Southbound Palomino Avenue, left, southbound, South Rockford.
Authorized PBS primary.
Hey, firm. I think it's been more than long enough.
Left, South Arsenal Street. Pushing Alta. Alright, passing over Alta, northbound David. On Strawberry. Westbound, northbound Alton. Westbound San Andreas Avenue.
I didn't grab repair kits. Fuck.
San Andreas, passing white.
Hopefully the car gets delivered.
Stop on South Walker Drive. Slowing. Eastbound to Spooky. Westbound Ginger. Eastbound San Andreas. Left northbound Palomino. Right, eastbound Carcer.
Oh,
Not
I forgot to
entering
reload
Rockford,
this.
left northbound Carcer. Spinning out on San Vitus Boulevard. Speeding up into northbound San Vitus. By Spanish.
Oh my god.
Crossing over northbound San
Did we
Vitus towards Vinewood. Left westbound Clips.
Are there any units still down by the apartments?
I'm an idiot. We might as well get rid of the old ones.
Step on Milton.
I'm for can break off if you need us.
He had bags on him when he started parachuting. It doesn't seem that they're on his hip anymore. They may be in that bush.
Eastbound Spanish. Southbound Las Guinness. Left eastbound Havoc left northbound Laguna Place, VCB, northbound Laguna.
Left westbound. Left southbound again on Los Lagunas. Then southbound.
I'm an idiot.
All the way to San Andreas.
I don't know about this song.
And then left eastbound San Andreas.
U-turn on westbound San Andreas, approaching Reds, passing Reds. A latest 311 call primary says he doesn't mind if we redirect to Palito if that's a priority. Westbound San Andreas. Approaching Burger Shots, right northbound North Rockford Drive. Left westbound South Rockford. Correction, southbound Imperial, right northbound Prosperity. Left westbound West Eclipse. Approaching Bay City. Left southbound Bay City. Left eastbound Marathon. That's your call primary and yeah. Right southbound alleyway, right westbound through Blue Cage, exiting Bay City, northbound Bay City. On Marathon Avenue. Crossing Movie Star Way. Looking right eastbound or set almost 50. It's left eastbound across Eastbourne Way. Crossing Paratola.
Hello,
Going to eastbound Eastbourne, crossing A Milton, approaching Halleck. Right southeastbound Los Santos Customs, exiting
I
Carter.
heard someone, but I don't.
Right westbound Carter, right northbound A Milton.
All right.
Northbound Milton, right eastbound.
We could weapon registry a
Passing
shotgun.
Fleeka. In Cage, eastbound Halleck. Slowing right southbound Mexicans Boulevard. Right westbound Brocker Plaza.
Bucket.
Right northbound. Exiting Halleck. Left westbound 50 to the local is eastbound Halleck. Pushing left Pink Cage. Northbound Power Street. You're turning southbound Power. Left eastbound Halleck. Left northbound Meteor. It likes its U-turns.
Can these be played? Oh, they
Northbound
can.
Meteor Street, approaching Vinewood. Right, eastbound Vinewood. Northbound Elgin. Pitted facing north, it pitted us. Continue northbound Elgin.
Can put it there temporarily. Oh, that's heavy.
San Clinton, left southbound.
Can I load
Meteor.
it this way? Oh, I can.
Southbound Meteor Street, approaching Occupation. Crossing Spanish. Southbound Meteor Street. Crossing Halleck. Right, westbound Occupation. Pushing Rockland Plaza. Left southbound Mexicans Boulevard. Facing northbound, continue turn, northbound. Eastbound Occupation. Left northbound Meteor Street. Left westbound Halleck, left southbound Power Street. Crossing Occupation, southbound Power towards Vespucci. By Swiss. Crossing Swiss, southbound Power Street. Right, westbound San Andreas Avenue, opposing lanes of travel.
Wait, why won't? No, it doesn't
Lanes,
fit, but I'm
westbound
using
San
the.
Andreas. E50. Left southbound White Garage, VCB.
Left eastbound.
I'm not actually
The
carrying this
Industrial,
in. I just
left
want this.
northbound to Red Garage, E50 here. Possible walks here to get from behind. In reverse out of red garage, facing southbound. Local units are trying to hit him. Eastbound Vespucci Boulevard. Approaching Legion Square, sending eastbound Vespucci. Stop on Pyre. Westbound Adams Apple. Passing Alta, westbound Adams
Never heard
towards
this in a
Clay,
while.
towards White Garage. Simply. Right northbound Clay. Left westbound Lindsay. Approaching Ginger Street. Left southbound Ginger. Left southbound South Rockford. Right westbound Palomino towards Bay City. Left southbound. Approaching Bay City. Southbound Bay City. All the way towards the end of the beach. Up through to Melanoma, BCB.
You down on the beach somewhere?
Visual eastbound Melanoma, approaching Palomino, left northbound Magellan Avenue. On towards Andres.
Hold left, hold left.
It's eastbound. Sorry, heading. UCB.
They're west. They're northbound along the alleys with VCB again, but they were sending it northbound.
Parallel Bay City?
AFM. We've lost visual on them. They could have tucked.
Trying to check in that building near the castle. The street, there was a vehicle, and I have a black vehicle. Stand by. Might be going northbound Great Ocean. May have even turned off the West Eclipse, but I did see one speeding northbound Del Perro to Great Ocean Highway.
787 is 787 is checking the beach and the tuck spots just in case.
There's a spot on Magellan where they used to see people selling oxy and shit there.
16262.
Road, stand by. But a Chumash crashed out. 1 second. Oh, and that's not it.
Actually, this is irrelevant. You don't really need to track those. Alright. Refresh the report if it's got 8 weapons. But I didn't put the shotgun in, I'm an idiot.
I'm pretty sure he did send it northbound. I'm just unsure as to whether he turned off at West Eclipse or...
So, removing it will...
We'll code 6 around the Morningwood area if you guys are going to check up north, but we'll search for another 2-3 minutes and then pull it off.
Alright. Did anyone check the bush that he was in for the bags?
Firm, there was nothing there.
Alrighty.
IBN right here. I don't think they can have attachments. All right.
Seven's cleared the cemetery and the mansions and Upper Morningwood. Haven't seen anything. If
I
you
forgot
guys
to
haven't
repair
had any
kits
luck
in
either,
the trash.
I'm happy to call it UTL.
nothing on the beach side
Okay.
around Chumash and shit, so.
And we're checking one last spot, and then I'll call it.
I'm gonna do the coquette stuff, and then I'm gonna go put eye drops in and grab yogurt.
I'm sending a Santos Freeway just to see if the Polito's still there to secure the hostage. Someone wants to sit on Palomino or Sustancia just to see if they come back that way. If we can feel free.
If alright. 7 Harwick 1090 is
0.8.70.
gonna be UTL. 10-8.
I think they might be on their way back. There was a Calico heading southbound, a purple one.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't
Two.
respond to that Polito then.
If that was the one that was involved, it was southbound on Belpero.
Wait, the rear tires just by default are massively bigger. Wait, are they?
Not
I don't
even
even
sure
know
if
at this
it'd be the
point.
vehicle from there, but it was speeding southbound.
I'm limit testing. I do like the RAM bar. So hi, Lauren. Okay, we need to get a impact. We buy one every day, apparently.
Hi, birds!
Hello. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, check.
Do do do.
494 10-8.
Yoink.
I am the dog, the big bad dog. What's up, Chief?
Good morning.
Good morning. Now let me see. Yes, yes.
There we
Lovely
are.
day, innit? Innit?
In it, bruv? Is that what I'm supposed to say?
Innit, brev. Don't go brev. No, brev.
Bre-
You know, like
Oh, so
yeah,
not
just
so not like with the U, it's with an E.
it's
like-
with a U.
I know it's with the U,
but
but like when I say it, I say bruv, but the way you said it sounded like an E.
well, that's how they say it, not me.
Oh. I swear I've always heard it with the U.
What they say, brev? Really?
I thought so.
Nah, they say brev. Brev. I swear it, brev. On my knees, brev.
I don't know if that's true. It might be, but I've
It
never heard
might
it that
be,
way.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna, you know what? The next time I see King, I'm gonna have him say it.
Ah, King, he doesn't really have that accent. Nah,
Oh,
King,
you think
King is
he's too good for
yeah.
that?
He's too poshy. Hello.
Ooh,
What's that?
nothing. Hold on. Remy on frequency.
Hey, fam.
Just a heads up, I've yoinked your impact from the trash.
Ooh.
Now I gotta go deal with car parts. I
Hey,
can't
fam.
wait.
just
I
used
love
it
my
to
life.
fix up a dead car.
A firm.
I mean,
Wait,
it's amazing.
Were you the
Having
one
a
who
lot of
yoinked
things
my
to do.
repair kits from the trash?
Hey, Confirm. I repaired my advanced.
You know, listen, I put them there as a... I bought too many things from the armory, and I put it there as, you know, a temporary thing. When I went back, they were gone. Not that it matters, but...
I saw them and went, yo, yoink, free rip kids.
Trust me, I do the same thing.
Hey, the same thing as in any other shift, right after a shootout, I'll wait till other people have refilled their mags and just run through the trash to get free ammunition.
I don't blame you. Chat, I can drive.
Five 976. The latest 99.
787, same traffic.
All right. What does the other coquette not have? No dump valve? Why? No sway bars. We're keeping the dump valve. We are getting rid of the sway bar. Also has an auto gearbox, so we're gonna go buy one.
5923. We've got a salmon and colored Gresley on scene, and an old school roadster that looks to be abandoned. The one suspect running away currently from the area. They're jumping into the water. Looks like some other individuals are coming back to the area for the vehicle, potentially. Oh, no, they're fleeing again. It's that salmon and colored Gresley current coming towards you, LSPD.
Let's chase that.
I mean, if they... We don't have RS besides them being in the area, but if they're gonna flee, then we can pursue them.
Why is there so much trash?
The vehicle on scene here. Did salmon vehicle flee the area, or did they comply when you tried to stop
into a
them?
38, just next to the Weasel News.
McLeod, once you're ready, we'll have these guys in traffic on Lindsay Street.
Doo-doo. Okay, auto.
Documented vehicle, then we'll be 76.
We need sign in. Doo-doo.
I've got a funeral to go to, guys.
I'm sorry. If you want to initiate contact, you can. The RS is that they were in the area of the call. We have bodies on the ground and a vehicle that's been tampered with. They came back and picked someone up that was hiding nearby. We can get them out of the vehicle and, you know, frisk and check them for anything potentially related to the assault on the individual here. And then anything after that related to the actual tampering with the vehicle.
Is there a red-haired individual, dark tan, with a red skirt there?
Stand by, guys.
If so, she was at the scene of another stolen vehicle call.
Does it drive better?
You could run that last story. No control.
I'm never speaking. I say something and something terrible happens shortly after. Every
red tire.
time.
If you want to come trade us out, we can come back and support on scene. If you want to come and run the stop, just
Probably should mess with the weight reduction. I don't think the dump valve.
a lot of sobbing.
I don't know.
We did just impound the vehicle, so they might have gotten some word about it somehow.
She said she's going to a funeral, and we said, don't worry, they're going to be there for a long time, so she didn't need to hurry, but...
Oh my god.
That's so insensitive.
It was Jigs, technically, not me.
55923 and 37. 38.
But insensitive doesn't mean wrong, to be clear.
Yeah. Mean, but correct.
Okay, so chat, I'm going to sit in the coquette. I'm going to put my eye drops in and grab yogurt. I will be right back.
We don't really have them on anything, to be honest. So if they're not going to flee, then we kind of just got to let them go.
I mean, she did say that she couldn't find. She basically implied that she was the one who tampered with the vehicle. But yeah, I agree.
Being very patient and very compliant, sitting here with us. So.
And we've secured the vehicle, so it's not like they can, swing back around for it or anything.
Take a mental note of their faces and their voices next time. The names.
Four 458, 424 direct.
Send it.
Are you ready to go?
I am.
All right, you want to meet me at Mission Row? We'll get it sorted.
Copy that. On the route.
787, 10-8.
Two 424 direct.
Seven eight seven six, latest 71s.
Flight 1276 to CMC. I found the I found Psy. This is also aware.
Thanks, Remy.
Dickhead fucking ejected himself.
Classic.
Or got ejected by his sausage takers, one of the two.
On brand.
I'm back. That took longer than expected. I had an eyelash in my eye. Apologies, Davenport. What's up?
Would you be interested in we're doing a hopper suit for Jigs and then one straight after for Jace? Would you be interested in running interference?
Confirm. Yogurt, by the way. Chef's kiss. It's vanilla. Cry, I didn't count. They had like a 12 pack of 12-ounce mason jars. I don't know how many were filled. Quite a few of them.
We'll go to channel 4 for the PRT stuff.
Radio check.
10-2.
Alright, so pursuing units, just so that you're aware, Rhodes' toolkit here will be an interference car. It will not be helping you, it will be against you.
I'll change the color.
Yeah, I just took the livery off mine so that it...
It's like the one chance you get to put a cop car in a different color.
I'll just pull the light bar and the livery off. Actually, I fuck with that color, it looks good.
Yeah, I just want it to be blatantly obvious because I think for liability reasons we should probably still have a light bar, but if you see a bright red coquette, guys, it's me. I'm interference. Wait, who's my interference partner?
Supposed to be Ricky, but he didn't wake up.
Oh, A-firm. Howdy.
I'll just change it.
Hello.
Similar road.
It's obnoxiously bright.
Hello.
That is so red.
Yeah. Well, you know, at least there won't be any confusion. Hey guys, what am I seeing right now on the GPS?
I don't know what is on the GPS.
A blue and red circle.
Oh, that might be the cat alert. What the fuck is my head busting?
Oh yeah, I'm probably just gonna stay prowler interference. My head.
I think that might be fucking busting my head on the GPS.
Really?
Yeah, my head's been busting
clear it.
since it started.
Slash clear on MDT.
Good call.
Did that resolve it?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Putting away my my thing also resolved it. My fucking card reader, plate reader.
That's so weird. I've heard quite a few people have that issue with their radar.
to go?
I think so. I need a refuel, but aside from that.
Jigs, are you good? So essentially the call's going to stem from street race. It'll just start from here. You can give it a couple of minutes. The minute my vehicle hits sort of, the minute I drive onto Holwick is when you'll know the race is over, so do as you want from there.
Copy that. Race is over on Howard.
Yes, it is. I drive on Holwick at any point in time, that's when the race is over. Alrighty. You guys are ready, we'll get going. Hello?
You say
So
who's going to be who for this one?
You're fleeing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we should be on the phone to coordinate a block or
worries.
something.
Yep, no worries. What was that, sorry, Curry?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, so Jigs is leading the call. Doesn't necessarily mean he has to be in primary, but he'll be making the call outs. To tell you where he wants you guys to be and what's going on and lots of good stuff. Alright, if you're ready to go, I'm out of here.
Alright.
This thing's a dream to drive without the roll bar.
Red and colored penumbra in the middle of a street race, right northbound onto Algan.
I did tell them once they hit Holwick that the race would be over and they could
Left
pull their PBS and
westbound
stuff
San
from there, so
Andreas.
Alright.
I don't want it to go for too long, so I'll probably go there pretty
BCB
quickly.
temporarily, but got visual back, continuing westbound on San Andreas, right northbound Los Lagunas Boulevard. Passing by Rockford Plaza, approaching occupation.
Oh my god, another lost them already.
Left westbound into Rockford Plaza, everyone's BCB.
Wait, you're on your penumbra. That makes sense.
Yeah, but I'm only just idling along at like 70 k's.
Confirm everyone's back overhead. We're left westbound onto Haywick, merging westbound towards 22. We're left southbound Eastbourne Way, transitioning westbound
Looks like
Eastbourne Way.
the
Past.
suspect is off track, so PBS is authorized.
Oh, hey, firm. Go for your life, lads. Approaching Dorset. We are right westbound Dorset. Left westbound onto Marathon. Crossing over Movie Star Way. Braking right northbound Morningwood Boulevard. Left westbound Boulevard Del Perro. Right northbound
Process
North
lasso
Rockford.
before I forget.
Braking right eastbound onto Perth Street. Crossing over Morningwood. Heading into behind the hotel here. Crossing past the tennis courts. Approaching Dorset once again.
There we
Right eastbound Dorset Drive. Heading back towards Boulevard Del Perro. Crossing over Boulevard Del Perro. Continuing eastbound on Dorset. Now approaching the 5-way intersection. Braking. We are hard left, northbound onto Portola Drive. Right, eastbound Eastbourne Way. Left, northbound Rockford Drive. Right, eastbound onto Abe Milton Parkway. Now doing a U-turn, heading back westbound. Westbound on Boulevard Del Perro now. Right, northbound onto Rockford Drive. Right, eastbound Caesar's Place. Right, eastbound on Spanish. Continue eastbound on Spanish. Crossing over Milton.
Hey, do you know the upper portion of the customs on Carcer?
Crossing over San Vitus.
Go from east to west through the tunnel. Go right on San Vitus. Cut west through the alley. I'll block the stairs down. Like you take the stairs down, and I'll block it.
Power now approaching Meteor.
Let me know when you're there.
Braking
I'm
right
here.
southbound Meteor.
I'm at the top of the stairs.
Engaged.
Right, westbound occupation. Crossing over Power, heading towards Alta once again. Crossing Alta, heading towards Rockford Plaza. Anyone's VCB.
All the way through, exiting right northbound San Vitus.
Yeah, one's
Left
over
westbound
here, we're
alleyways
left westbound. Yep, heading towards Eastbourne Way. Now taking
There's a
the
block
stairs
there. They went
around, they
down
went around.
towards... Yeah, we're heading now southbound, back towards Castle Way.
Damn, that was good.
Right, westbound Castle Way.
That was an immediate,
Left,
like,
southbound,
no
Avon
attempt
Parkway.
to even push me out the way because it would have been
Southbound
impossible.
San Vitus.
Yeah.
And moving once again southbound, Las Lagunas, heading towards San Andreas.
Bright red coquette was blocking the staircase down to the customs alley parking lot.
Copy
Hey,
that,
firm.
I'll keep an eye out for a bright red coquette as interference.
Westbound Vespucci, left southbound Calais.
Have they tried pitting?
Right, westbound Lindsay Circus. Right, northbound Palomino, back towards Vespucci. Right, eastbound Vespucci.
Right, coquette's currently eastbound Vespucci Boulevard, behind the main pursuit.
Hey, firm. Continue east on Vespucci, braking. Right, southbound Powell. Eastbound through Chihuahua Hot Dogs. Right,
I'm gonna go through
southbound
that
Elgin.
alleyway that I just went
Right,
through.
westbound.
Stick on the
South
entrance.
left.
Fines and see if they call out the spikes.
Copy that.
Click on it.
Right, northbound Alta. Past by Alta Street Apartments, RIP. Right, eastbound Vespucci. We are southbound. Continue now, left northbound Elgin. Northbound Elgin.
got me.
The interference threw me off. It's the same color, that's crazy. Left, westbound San Andreas. Left, southbound through the... And right, back out towards Power. Right again, heading towards San Andreas.
Oops, sorry, excuse me,
Right,
sorry,
eastbound San
sorry.
Andreas. And right, southbound Elgin.
Shit, sorry.
Right, westbound on Vespucci. Left, southbound.
Interference coming up behind
Left
the car.
again. Coming back out towards Elgin. Right, southbound to Elgin. Crossing under the freeway now, in towards
I've
Innocence.
been through there 3 times now and I haven't closed
Left
it out.
eastbound
so
Innocence.
I know.
Through
I
Avon
I
coming,
question
right,
if he's
southbound on
concerned
Strawberry.
that, like, everyone is
Right, westbound
primarily
Farm Drive.
doing comms, but, like, he should be the one, you know?
Okay, good.
Now approaching Carson Ave, right northbound Carson, heading towards Alta. Right northbound Alta. Continue northbound Alta, now approaching Adams Apple, crossing Adams Apple, heading towards Vespucci, stand by.
Break. Jace, switch to the interference vehicle if you can.
Copy.
Continue southbound on Powell, left eastbound, he loves these alleyways.
Get
Jace.
out of the way.
Now approaching Elgin, vehicle's been put
Oh, I just
mobile,
bullied
northbound
him.
on Elgin, left westbound, onto Vespucci. Crossing over Power Street, approaching Alta. Left southbound Alta.
Wait, they're on me. Was that intentional?